Hello everyone, this is Alan from the SPIKECAM support team. Today we are going to introduce our Hero 7 body-worn camera. This is a military-grade body-worn camera, widely used in the US and other countries. First, let's take a look of the menu. On the page 2, we can see the button definitions here very clearly. Let's go step by step how to use this body camera. First, how to power on the body camera. Press the power button for about 3 seconds. The camera will power on and go to the standby mode. Press this button again for 3 seconds to power off the camera. How to start video recording? There is a very big front button, so you simply press it once. The camera will start video recording. If you want to stop video recording, you have to press it twice, just in case somebody wants to stop you from video recording. How to stop audio recording? On standby mode, press the audio button here.
Start audio.
And the camera will start recording audio only. If you want to stop it, simply press it again.
Audio end.
How to take a photo? Press this photo button to take photos. How to play back the video files on camera? Press the right button to enter the video playback mode and use the menu button to confirm the file you want to play back. Start video recording. Press it again to pause. The camera has a very loud and good speaker so that you can hear the audio sound very clearly. How to turn on the night vision? If you set the night vision mode to menu, you simply press the FM button once, and then the camera will go to the night vision mode. You can see we have two very large IR lights at the front. You will be able to see about 10 meters at night. Simply press it again to exit the night vision mode. How to turn on the SOS, siren and LEDs. Press the SOS button once. You see the camera emits the SOS siren. Press it again to cancel the siren and left the LED lights flashing. Press it one more time to cancel this mode. The camera could be used as a LED torch when you are in emergency state. Hold this FM button for about 3 seconds. You will see the LED torch is on. Hold it again to turn it off. We want to introduce our lock mode features of this Hero body camera. First, let's start video recording, and then we hold the lock button, the return button, for about 3 seconds. And you will see a lock icon appear in the 2-inch LCD screen. And then the camera has entered the lock mode. No matter what button you pressed, you cannot stop the video recording. This would be very, very useful when you were undertaking a special task. And the only way to unlock the camera is that hold the lock button for another 3 seconds. How to configure the camera setting? Press the menu button to enter the menu setting mode. Use the left and right button to browse between the settings. Use the menu button to confirm the settings, and use the return button to go back. For more information about the settings, you can go to our menu. We have many options here. You can read the details one by one. How to charge the camera? Use the small dock to charge the camera. Connect the Type-C cable to the small dock, and then dock our camera to this small dock, and the camera will start to charge. If you connect the small dock to the computer, it can be used for the data transfer. We also prepare another magnetic cable to charge the camera easier. You take down this magnetic cap and then put it into the camera. Push it. Okay. Then the camera will charge automatically. However, it is pretty hard to take out this cap. You probably need a pliers or other tools to take out this cap. So for the moment, this stock is already enough for you. In the package, we have the standard back clip. We put on a clip, and then the clip, you can rotate it. Press this metal part and take out the clip. We also have other accessories like the chest harness, car mount, and also the bicycle mount. You can buy it on our Amazon store. How to upload data to computer. Use the small dock and the Type-C cable. Dock the camera to this cradle, and then the camera will power on. If you turn on the USB disk mode, the camera will turn into USB flash drive on the computer, and then you will be able to download the videos from this drive.